First Lady Luis Liza Araneta Marcos spearheads the Lab for All caravan launching in Pasay, where residents receive medical and dental services free of charge. PTV's Rod Lagusad tells us more.
Many lined up to avail of the services offered by the Lab for All caravan in Pasay City, which aims to bring various medical services closer to the public. It offers free laboratory services such as blood and urine tests and other important laboratory procedures. It also provides free consultations with specialists including pediatrics, gynecology, and general medicine. Medicines were also distributed for free, along with dental services and complementary minor surgical procedures for eligible patients.
Napakalaking tulong ho talaga to para sa mga katulad namin, lalo na sa senior citizen. Alam na lahat, walang kahirap-hirap. Malaking tulong po dito sa Pasay yan, lalo na po yung maintenance sa mga gamot. Kaya masaya ho. Sa high blood, sa diabetes, sa rheuma.
The program is a brainchild of First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, who spearheaded today's proceedings.
Nandito po kami para itupad yung pangako ng asawa ko. Sabi kasi ng asawa ko sa SONA niya, we should bring government services closer to the people and not the other way around.
Various government agencies also took part, such as DOH, DA, which brought agricultural materials and seedlings, while CHED offered scholarship grants, along with the private sector. According to Pasay LGU, the national government complements the programs implemented by the local government.
Nagkakadugtungan at nagtutulungan ang national agencies, pati po ang local government para po ang mga pagkukulang namin ay magkaroon po ng kadugtong upang masagot ang pangangailangan ng aming mga kababayan.
According to the mayor, today's event is not the end, as the LGU is already implementing its own social services. From PTV, Rod Lagusad, Balitang Pambansa.